India, a land steeped in the richness of its culture and linguistic diversity, where tradition and heritage flow through its veins. Since time immemorial, India has revered women, worshipping their strength and resilience. Introducing the Swati Program, an embodiment of our commitment to harnessing the untapped potential of women, particularly those who lack socio-economic advantages. In a country where young girls have great aspirations but are unable to achieve them due to lack of support, Swati emerges as a beacon of hope, offering a talent pool for girls who yearn to pursue their aspirations but lack the means. Rooted in the ethos of empowerment, Swati is a CSR initiative by Premium Group, where CSR program isn't just a duty, it's genuine passion and an integral part of their DNA. Through Swati, Premium Group empowers women who lack socio-economic advantages with skill-based training, nurturing their talents and paving the way for their success. The organization believes that by investing in women, it is not only transforming individual lives, but also shaping the future of families, communities and societies at large. Swati stands as a testament to Premium Group's dedication to making a profound and lasting impact, uplifting generations and fostering a brighter tomorrow, one empowered woman at a time. Founded with the aspiration to redefine benchmarks for excellence, Premium Group, which encompasses Premium Transmission Private Limited, Premium Motion Private Limited, and Premium Care, has played a substantial role in propelling the progress of diverse industries throughout the country. Central to Premium Group's success across the globe are its ethos and its steadfast dedication to providing top-tier products and solutions. The group specializes in designing, manufacturing, and marketing an extensive range of gearboxes, geared motors, fluid couplings, and motion enablers that constitute the essential framework of industrial machinery.
A Premium Group, as such, we are majorly in three business verticals. First is our conventional and the core business, which is industrial transmission, where we produce industrial gearboxes, we produce geared motors, and we produce fluid couplings. The second business vertical, which is the most important for us now, is renewable energy and sustainable energy in business, where we are making motion components for solar plants and solar tracking industry. And sustainable energy, we are also looking to venture into the EV industry for making hub motors, etc. The third is a business which we have started in 2019 and which is kicking up very well, is a multi-brand sales and service, which we call it Premium Care, where we not only service premium gearboxes, but we also service any brand, whether it is imported or Indian, and we provide spares for that. We also provide advisory for improvement of the various industrial transmission solutions. The domestic, we are definitely is a prominent player in the domestic market, but as far as the business expansion last couple of years, we are majorly focusing on Americas. When we say Americas, it's North America and Canada. Second, now we are also looking our expansion in the Europe. So Europe, not only in Germany, but across the Europe in various countries.
Premium Group, a distinguished entity, stands proudly as a member of the esteemed Karan Thapar Group. With a strong legacy, the Karan Thapar Group has evolved into a dynamic conglomerate with diversified industries spanning e-mobility, industrial engineering, and many more. Today, Mr. Karan Thapar stands as the torchbearer of this illustrious legacy, a name synonymous with unparalleled business acumen and visionary leadership. Mr. Thapar's distinctive approach to board-led governance and managerial independence has set him apart in the Indian business landscape.
Women's education and skill development are fundamental pillars for community progress. At least that's our belief. Countless women, despite having aspirations, often find their dreams unfulfilled due to lack of opportunity. Recognizing this, the Premium Group spearheaded the Swati program in 2018. The program was not conceived merely as an act of welfare, but as a conscientious corporate social responsibility initiative, aiming to make a strong social impact. Educating women isn't just about individual empowerment, but also about shaping entire generations. Swati embodies the belief that investing in women translates into investing into the future. The Premium Group's commitment to CSR extends beyond rhetoric. It's a thoughtful strategy for holistic community development. By focusing on women's education and skilling, the group aligns with the broader vision of creating a sustainable and inclusive society. Empowered women become catalysts for change, economic growth, and social progress. Swati started with a very modest intake of girls, but has since blossomed into a beacon of hope, inspiring numerous lives across its journey. It's not just about providing education. It's about fostering gender diversity and enabling women to realize their potential. Our group looks forward to extending the impactful Swati program. It was initially pioneered by Premium Transmission, but the other entities within the portfolio, such as Greaves Cotton, EICL, and DBH Holdings, have all recognized the merits of this program, evaluated its success. The Thapa Group is dedicated to realizing the full potential of the Swati initiative, driving positive change and societal progress for future generations.
In today's world, the challenge of women's education persists amidst social, economical, and cultural complexities. Barriers to education ranging from financial constraints to gender-based prejudices hinder the educational journey of many females. On a global level, only 49% of the countries have achieved gender parity in primary education. At the secondary level, the gap widens. 42% of countries have achieved gender parity in lower secondary education and 24% in upper secondary education. Skill-based education equips girls and women with practical knowledge and expertise, thereby making them industry-ready and empowering them to make meaningful contributions to the workforce. This not only enhances their economic independence, but also fortifies the overall workforce by tapping into the diverse talents and perspectives that women bring to the table.
No, CSR for us is not an initiative just to fulfill the regulatory requirements. CSR for us is a passionate initiative which is driven right from the board. So far, so is directly from the chairman of this company, Mr. Karan Thapar. CSR, what we want to do, that we want to create an impact which is sustainable and long-lasting, and that's why we are trying to work in CSR on such initiative or the activities which only not create effect for today, but create a effect or impact on the society for generations to come. And that's why we have gone into the empowering first women, that too women from a very underprivileged background. For them, the opportunities are very low, and the underlying idea and the thought is that if you create impact on underprivileged girls and make them educate and employable, that over a period they may contribute to the society, which will contribute to the coming generations.
A CSR initiative of Premium Group Private Limited. The Swati program, initiated in 2018 in collaboration with educational institutes, marks a pivotal step in Premium Group's commitment to fostering positive change in the society through education and skilling. Presently, the curriculum is being provided in association with Symbiosis Skills and Professional University, Pune, and Symbiosis Open Education Society. This dual-mode program blends on-campus learning with industry exposure, ensuring a holistic educational experience.
The Swati program was launched in 2018 to promote education and vocational skill training for girls who lack socio-economic benefits. which has received remarkable success, notably by introducing a diploma certificate course in industrial gearbox manufacturing. Initially launched in 3 locations, Pune, Shendra and Falta, we commenced with a modest cohort of 20 students in each location in collaboration with regional institutes. Further on, we introduced a diploma in manufacturing automation in 2021 and a diploma in automation and manufacturing excellence in 2023. This was done in collaboration with Symbiosis Skills and Professional University. In fostering community involvement, we actively engage premium group employees through various initiatives. We encourage them to contribute by taking time out of their routine activities and conducting workshops and training on diverse topics, ranging from technical skills to personal development and overall well-being of these participants. These opportunities empower our employees to give back and foster a culture of collaboration and knowledge sharing within our organization. Our employees play a crucial role in the success of the Swati program and driving its growth and impact within the community. The Swati program is a very thoughtful corporate social responsibility effort and not just an act of welfare.
ग्रेजुएशन 15वीं होने के बाद आगे उधर जाने का होगा तो लंबा जाना पड़ता है, नगर अहमदनगर डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो बोलते हैं। अभी प्राइवेट स्कूल में अपनी लड़की गई नहीं, मगर प्राइवेट स्कूल में ज़्यादा फीस रहती है, जैसा डिपार्टमेंट होगा वैसे ही फीस रहती ना।
12th झाल्यानंतर असं झालं की माझ्या इथे आजूबाजूला जे लोक होते आमच्या गावात ते जास्त शिकलेले नव्हते। मग त्याच्यामुळे असं झालं की कुठे जायचं, म्हणजे काय एज्युकेशन घ्यायचं, पुढे इंजीनियरिंगला जायचं की मेडिकलला जायचं।
जब पापा की कोविड में डेथ हुई थी तो उसके बाद जो हमारे घर की फाइनेंशियल कंडीशन थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब हो गई थी। जो सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी घर की वो मेरे मदर के ऊपर आ गई थी, तो उन्होंने उस टाइम से जॉब करना स्टार्ट किया और मेरी दीदी ने भी 1 साल का स्टडी का गैप लेकर उन्होंने भी जॉब करना स्टार्ट किया। उसके बाद अपनी स्टडी कंटिन्यू करी।
Hailing from small outskirts across India, these resilient girls emerged from modest financial backgrounds where professional opportunities were scarce. In the shadow of the urban development, their town grappled with limited resources, making the pursuit of education and career aspirations a formidable challenge. However, their tenacity prevailed, and with each passing day, they navigated through the complexities of their surroundings. Their dreams now extend beyond limitations, envisioning a future where education and empowerment redefine their destinies.
I am Tejal Thurve. I am from Shirur, Pune. I work in E&D department with Premium Transmission. I have completed my 12th standard from Vijayamala Junior College of Science in Science stream. After that, I was looking for my higher education in engineering. लेकिन मेरे घर के आसपास कोई इंजीनियरिंग का कॉलेज नहीं था, इसलिए मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं पुणे से करूँगी। लेकिन पुणे के आने पर पता चला कि यहाँ की फ़ीस 2 to 3 लाख है। तो मेरे घर के हालत की वजह से मैंने ये सोचा कि मैं फर्दर एजुकेशन नहीं लूँगी और 12th के बेसिस पर जॉब करूँगी कौन से भी कंपनी में, तो मेरे घर के लिए सपोर्ट हो जाए। तो फिर जब मैं जॉब ढूंढ रही थी तब पता चला कि तब सिम्बोसिस से कॉल आया कि स्वाति करके कोई प्रोग्राम है जो गर्ल्स के लिए रन होता है, वो उनको फ्री एजुकेशन दिलाती है। तो वो बोले कॉल पर कि इंटरव्यू और एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम होगी, आपको यहाँ पर आने के बाद देना होगा, उसके बाद सिलेक्शन हो जाए।
मुझे स्वाति प्रोग्राम के बारे में पता चला तो मैंने अप्लाई किया स्वाति प्रोग्राम, और उसके बाद हमारे 200 गर्ल्स का इंटरव्यू था और उसमें से 25 का सिलेक्शन हुआ और हमको फ्री कॉस्ट ॲडमिशन लिया। 2 वर्षाचा कोर्स कंप्लीट झाल्यानंतर आम्ही प्रीमियम ट्रान्समिशनमध्ये इंटरव्ह्यू दिला, त्यामध्ये माझं सिलेक्शन वम डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये झालं। त्यानंतर 3 महिन्यानंतर माझं प्रमोशन झालं SCM डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये। मी SCM डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये बायर्स म्हणून काम करते आत्ता। मी आत्ता प्रीमियम ट्रान्समिशनमध्ये जॉब करते। मी आत्ता जॉब करते, वर्किंग करते, म्हणून माझ्या फॅमिलीला माझा खूप सपोर्ट होतो आणि माझ्या स्वतःसाठी पण खूप सपोर्ट आहे आणि मला असंच एज्युकेशन घेण्यासाठी मी आत्ता पुढं डिग्रीला ॲडमिशन घेतलं आहे।
The success of the Swati program by Premium Group is not merely measured in numbers, but in the transformative impact it has created on the lives of deserving girls. This initiative goes beyond imparting education. It provides a holistic experience, offering hands-on skills training with state-of-the-art facilities.
Setting our curriculum apart from conventional education systems is the design of curriculum, which is more aligned with the industry requirements. We have focused on providing 70% training, thorough hands-on and experimental learning experiences. Students spend half the time in the university and half at the industry premises for on-the-job training. Also, comprehensive sessions on soft skills for overall development are an integral part of the curriculum. Our approach integrates classroom training and personal skill development and also equips participants with practical skills and knowledge required to make them industry ready and employable.
यहाँ पे मेरा भी डिप्लोमा सेकेंड ईयर चल रहा है। यहाँ पे मुझे बहुत सारी नई चीज़ें सीखने मिली, जो मेरी स्किल्स थी वो डेवलप हुई। यहाँ पे सबसे पहले आने के बाद मेरा जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल था वो गेन हुआ, और जो मेरी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स थी वो डेवलप हुई। और यहाँ पे बेसिकली मतलब 30% थियोरी और 70% प्रैक्टिकल है, जिससे हमारे जो कंसेप्ट रहते हैं वो ज़्यादा क्लियर हो जाते हैं। तो हमें इंटर्नशिप के थ्रू जो हमने थियोरी में सीखा है वो हमें प्रैक्टिकली भी देखने के लिए मिलता है, जिससे जो चीज़ें रहते हैं हम और भी एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे जो लोगों के साथ जो इंटरेक्शन था वो उसकी जो स्किल्स थी वो भी डेवलप हुई। और इंटर्नशिप के थ्रू हमने मतलब पूरा इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस क्या होता है, वहाँ पे कौन कौन से डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं वो सीखे। और मशीन से रिलेटेड जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट हैंडलिंग, मशीन के ऊपर हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस किया हमने। और जो हमारी सॉफ्ट स्किल थी वो भी इंटर्नशिप के थ्रू और इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू डेवलप हुई।
मेरे कोर्स का नाम है DAME, विच इज़ डिप्लोमा इन एडवांस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एक्सीलेंस। ये आपको थियोरी कम और प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज ज़्यादा देता है, जो कि मैंने यहाँ पे आके सीखा है। आई कुड वर्क ऑन लेथ मशीन्स एंड ऑल्सो एक ऑपरेशन है वेल्डिंग ऑपरेशन, विच इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट। दैट आपने कभी देखा नहीं होगा कि एक लड़की वेल्डिंग कर रही है, बट यहाँ पे मैंने वेल्डिंग ऑपरेशन भी सीखा है एंड वो मैंने खुद किया है। तो यहाँ पे आपको स्किल्स ज़्यादा सीखने के लिए मिलती है। एंड ऑल्सो थ्योरी लेक्चर्स भी होते हैं हमारे, और एवरीथिंग विच इज़ रिलेटेड टू इंजीनियरिंग हमें सिखाते हैं।
One of the key achievements of this program is that it actively facilitates 100% employment opportunities for its graduates in mainstream industry sectors. Furthermore, the impact extends beyond the individual, influencing their families, societal norms, and perceptions regarding girl education empowerment and improving diversity in manufacturing industry. Through interactions with dignitaries and industry visits, Swati students are not only gaining skills but also challenging conventional thinking, paving the way for a more inclusive and an empowered society.
In Swati program, we are creating a small impact on the small part of society, but this small impact on a small part of society will centrifuge to the large part of the society in a longer run. And that is where the whole idea we are giving, because we are giving education, which is the best gift which anybody can give to anybody. We are empowering them, making them employable so that they become economically independent. And once they are economically independent, they become socially confident, which creates a society which is overall contributing in a positive way for the growth of the country as well as the whole world.
कोर्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद मेरा प्लेसमेंट हुआ वेस्ट बंगाल के फलता में प्रीमियम ट्रांसमिशन में। उधर मैंने 1 साल काम किया। उसके बाद मेरा जॉइनिंग हुआ प्रीमियम ट्रांसमिशन में पुणे प्लांट में। उधर से अभी मैं प्रीमियम मोशन में हूँ। इधर मैंने इन्वर्ट क्वालिटी में हूँ, और इधर मैं इन्वर्ट का इंस्पेक्शन, उसके साथ QMS का, इंटरनल ऑडिट का, ये सब काम करती हूँ। उसके साथ जो भी QAP, MQP सब कुछ। अभी मेरा 3.5 years का एक्सपीरियंस होने जा रहा है। मैं ये जॉब के थ्रू पूरा फैमिली को सपोर्ट कर रही हूँ। बीच में ऐसा हुआ था, मेरा जॉब लगने से पहले मेरा पापा का तबीयत का बहुत ख़राब हो गया, जिसकी वजह से मेरा पापा का बिज़नेस था वो बंद करना पड़ा। तो उसके बाद मैं ही पूरा जॉब के थ्रू उनको पूरा फैमिली को सपोर्ट करती हूँ। मैं अभी मेरे घर के सपोर्ट करने के साथ साथ मेरा फर्दर स्टडी, हाई स्टडी भी साथ में स्टार्ट किया है, BTech स्टार्ट किया है, जिसमें मैं मेरा खुद का फ्यूचर का ग्रोथ भी देख पा रही हूँ। इससे मेरा पर्सनल स्किल भी डेवलप होगा, जिससे मैं फ्यूचर में और भी आगे जा सकती हूँ मेरा डिपार्टमेंट के थ्रू।
Till now, we have been able to transform lives of around 200 girls. The most important milestone in our Swati program is that we have ensured 100% placement in leading manufacturing companies in Pune.
तेजलने स्वतःच्या पायावर आता उभी राहतेच, पण भविष्यात आजकाल मुलींनी इंडिपेंडंट राहिलंच पाहिजे. भविष्यात अजून तिचा ग्रोथ व्हावा, इकॉनॉमी म्हणजे फायनान्शियल थोडं ग्रोथ व्हावा किंवा अजून शिक्षण घेऊन त्याच्यात थोडंफार प्रगती व्हावा अशी इच्छा आहे.
मला हा कोर्स मिळाला त्याच्यामुळे माझ्या लाईफमध्ये हा बेनिफिट झाला आहे की मी आता माझ्या भावाला खूप चांगलं सांगू शकते किंवा जसं माझ्यासोबत झालं की मला कोणी गाईड करायला नव्हतं, पण मी आता त्याला गाईड करू शकते की त्याने काय चूज केलं पाहिजे, काय नाही केलं पाहिजे. आणि मग आमच्या गावात पण भरपूर जण असे आहेत की त्यांना काही कळत नाही, तर त्यांना एक सल्ला म्हणून पण मी सांगू शकते की त्यांनी आता काय केलं पाहिजे, काय नाही केलं पाहिजे. मी आता माझे स्वप्न पण पूर्ण करते आणि माझ्या फॅमिलीला पण आमच्या गावात किंवा समाजात पुढे न्यायचा प्रयत्न करेन आणि माझी लाईफ पण खूप चांगली होते ह्या जॉबमुळे.
স্কটি প্রোগ্রামের ফলে আমার মেয়ে একটা ভালো জায়গায় চাকরি করেছে এবং তার ফলে রোজগার ভালো হয়েছে, এইটা দেখে আমি খুব আনন্দিত হয়েছি. আমি চাই ওর জীবনে এইভাবে এগিয়ে যাক এবং ওর জীবনের যত স্বপ্ন আছে স্বপ্নগুলোকে পূরণ করে ও আরও ভালো জায়গায় এগিয়ে যাবে.
Beyond gears and machinery, the company's commitment to corporate social responsibility and nation building reflects a holistic vision. By intertwining education with practical skills training and industry exposure, the company goes beyond conventional approaches. It actively creates opportunities, breaking down obstacles and empowering young girls to envision and achieve a brighter future. In doing so, Premium Group not only elevates its standing in the industry, but also contributes meaningfully to social progress and empowerment. Premium Group's journey is a testament to resilience, adaptability, and the pursuit of excellence, shaping the future of mechanical power transmission. As it pioneers change, the company leaves an indelible mark on corporate social responsibility, emphasizing progress beyond profit margins, fostering an inclusive, sustainable, and empowered tomorrow for all.